Hi everybody, I'm out here gonna try my hand at a little bit of metal detecting today, and I just want to show you my new hat. Yes, it's Excalibur Shovels. I won this hat and a t-shirt off of Treasure Talk a couple weeks ago, and I just got this hat in the mail this week, and I also am going to be using my Excalibur shovel. Woohoo! So just a little shout out there to Casey over at Excalibur Shovels, also known as the Key Date Kid on YouTube. Go check it out. It makes good shovels. They won't break. They will last. Okay, I've been digging out this hole, and let's see what we can find in here. Okay, let's see what it is. So I've been having a hard time finding stuff. Seems like I just found a worm. Well, I just found a small nail and a brick. Looks like a piece of brick. Well, I think I need to change my batteries on my pinpointer, and I didn't find anything. I dug these two huge holes. Nothing except for wire. I'm not even sure where that was, and that nail I showed you earlier. So we will try again very soon. Okay, all of you that are experienced, would you dig this? 78, 53, 85, 64, 58, 48, 43 on my AT Pro, 81. Okay, just dug this hole, and now something over here. Oh, I see it. I've been nailed again. All right, it is looks like a little shingle nail. Okay, I just dug about a 3-inch hole, and I got this, which I don't know what it is. You know, it could be part of a mower blade. This area gets mowed with big blades from a tractor, so I'm not sure. I'll have to ask the expert. All right, this time I got a kind of a large square nail, about 3 or 4 inches deep. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, I got something here. Yeah, another nail. I think it might either snow or rain in a few minutes, so we'll see how it goes. The sky is looking ominous. Hi everybody, it's March 7th, and it's starting to snow again. Yep. Well, I do hear a meadowlark singing. That's one good thing. And I didn't find too much. Let's check it out. You really saw it. Maybe a cutting blade or something. And 4 nails. One of them is a square nail. That's the junk from the other day. Right. Okay, I had an 80 signal here along with some other signals. So imagine there's some iron stuff, but let's see what we can find. Okay, I got another square nail here. There's something right here with not too deep. Oh, well, we got a bullet shell. Woohoo! What did that ring up. Let's see. That rings up a 57. Okay, Muffy, let's see if there's anything else in here. Okay, we have a shallow spot here, and I had something over here. So I might be on the trail of Dad's bullet shells. Let's see. Okay, I just turned over the plug, and whoa, check out that big giant. Okay, I got a high signal right under this thing, and around a 90 on the AT Pro, so I'm gonna check it out. Nice dirt there. Easy to use the shovel. Okay. Oh, I can see it. Well, I can see something. I don't know if that's it. I've been nailed again. This is not a square nail. Okay, I got what I thought was another good signal, but I think that right there is part of wire that kind of goes this way. So, might as well dig that out. Alright, so I got a small piece of barbed wire. There's nothing else left here, but I did hear some signals over here. So it might be more of that barbed wire. Let's find out. Well, I just pulled this plug. You see that? I've been nailed again. It's a really nice square nail though. Okay, I got a pretty good signal here. This might be my last one because the weather is coming. It is doing something. I don't know if it's snowing or something, but the clouds are closing in on me here like they have been a lot lately. So let's see what's in the hole. Well, I'm heading in now because it's getting pretty cold out here and it's about to snow. And all I found was some old metal junk. Those 2, 4, 5, 6 things. So, see you next time.